ClickUp Project Management for Beginners, how to use ClickUp. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, I will show you a quick tutorial on how you can make use of ClickUp for beginners. So without further ado, let's get started. ClickUp is a cloud-based collaboration and project management tool suitable for businesses of all sizes and industries. These software help you manage your project very well with team collaboration features, real-time tracking to monitor each of your team activities, and more. So to start with, visit clickup.com. This is the homepage. And before we create an account, let's first discuss their pricing plan for us to have an idea of how much this software costs us. So they have 5 different plans here to choose from. They have the free plan. It's free forever, but only includes very limited features like 100 MB storage, but unlimited tasks and members. Also, the free plan includes collaborative docs, real-time chat, and 24/7 support, and many more. The next plan is the unlimited plan for $5 per month, best for small teams. Then they have the business teams for $12 per month. This is best for mid-sized teams. Then Business Plus plan for $19 per month, perfect for multiple teams. And lastly, the Enterprise plan for many large teams. And you can contact the sales team to get this plan. So let's now get started with our tutorial. So first, to create an account, just click here, sign up button. And here you can sign up for free. Just provide your email. And after that, just provide your name, email, and password. Then you'll be prompted to your dashboard. So this is my home dashboard. And here in my home dashboard, you can add here the most important task. Also, you can see trending tasks. So these are the tasks that most of your team are working on and commenting to. And also your work list here, like your to-dos list. And here in the top right corner, you can easily check your calendar if you want to see all your tasks for this month and see your available time and day for this month. And you can also check your agenda for today here. What are the tasks that you have? And also check if someone mentioned you in a comment. And here on your left sidebar, you have different menus like for notifications. As you can see, I have overdue tasks here showing up. And no worries, guys. These are just for demo. So this is no big deal. And also, if you have tasks due today, it will also appear here to notify you. And to click show more, here you can have Polls live view. Here you can see the real-time view into who's online and what they are working on. And then also you have goals. You can create goals, break them down into measurable targets, and track progress in real time. And then you also have your favorites here. If you have tasks that you tag as favorite, you can see it here. And your workspaces, this is where you can create your own project workspace. So just click add new space and then you can name it. And by the way, you can choose a template for you to get started with your project workspace, or you can also start from scratch if you like. But for today's video, just to show you what else you can do here, I will select a template. Here, just choose a template and you can find template for spaces type, folder type, list, or doc type. And here you also have different levels that you can choose from for beginners, intermediate, advanced. Let me just choose here beginners and then let me choose this class assignment template here. So click use template, then you can add your workspace name and you can make any changes over here if you like to. But for now, I will just keep it just to show you what you can create here. So let me click use template now. And here you can customize the information here. You can rename everything. Just for example, here, simply click and then rename. And here, just click every task to customize or change it. So you can change the name of the task and also you can add subtask by typing slash and then you can add like column. Then you can also add another slash here for checklist. It depends on you guys if what will you add here. And here you can
update or change the status. So just click here, and you can also add more status if you like to. Just click add or edit. For example, I will add here um, pending approval. Then hit enter from your keyboard and choose a color. Then after that, just save it. And once you save it, you can now use this kind of status. Then here you can assign someone for this task, and also you can set priority, for example, urgent, then set up due date. And also you can start the time tracking here for this task for you to monitor if how long this task has been working on to complete. And then let me just close it. And as you can see, this task is now separated from to do since we changed the status to pending approval. So here you can easily see all the tasks that need some actions and the tasks that already completed. With this, you can save more time in working your tasks or projects. And here under dashboard, you can also create your own dashboard. So just click add dashboard and you have your templates here. You can also start from scratch if you like to. But again, let me choose templates here to give you an idea what you can do here in ClickUp. And I will choose the reporting dashboard, and let's just start our free trial. They have 15 days free trial here. So this is the dashboard now, and here you can customize your dashboard, everything here. You can select if what information you want to be displayed here in your own dashboard and what you don't want to. You can just remove it. And lastly, you have your docs features here. You can see all your docs assigned to me docs and also shared documents. You can also check here your private docs that you just created for yourself. And by the way, under your workspaces, you can also add some automation. So just click on automate up here and then add automation. And here you can add when this happens and then when this action will be taken. So for example, if the status change of the task, then you can change the assigned person. Or for example, if the task is due, then you can change the priority to urgent and also you can change the assigned person. Just like that. And down here is where you can locate your settings, import and export, invite, and also trash. So everything that you deleted here will be added to your trash file, and this trash will be permanently deleted after 30 days. So that's all for today's video about ClickUp tutorial. And for me, ClickUp is one of the best project management tool that you must try, guys, to use for your team. It's quick and easy, plus the user interface is so user friendly. So go ahead, guys, visit clickup.com and start your free trial for you to experience the convenience that this software can give you and your team. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope you learned something and you like this video. If you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.